Hi loves, it's your girl Morgan Sinclaire and I'm back again for another video. If you're new to my channel, hi love, how are you doing? Hit that subscribe button and welcome to my channel. And if you're old to my channel, it's your girl back again for another video. You already know who I am. And today I'm giving you my easy application for eyelashes. Guys, we struggle with eyelashes and I'm showing you step by step how to apply them, how to put them on, how to be Instagram ready. We're gonna kill it. Let's get into this video.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Okay guys, I will be teaching you how to apply eyelashes. So excited, this is so easy. Right now I'm just taking my liquid eyeliner and prepping my eyes with a cat eye. This is just a guide for you guys. You do not have to do this. This is completely optional, but I find that using a liner to guide my eyelashes makes the process so much easier. So now I'm using Damn Girl by Too Faced, and yes, it lives up to the name. It does, because it makes my eyelashes so fluffy and soft. And you need mascara before you apply lashes so they can look seamlessly as possible. I'll be using my LUXE K lashes in Flirtatious and Kiss lash strip adhesive. So I'm taking the adhesive, I'm just gonna make a thin layer on the lash. And when I say the stack, I'm talking about the lash line of the eyelash. So you just make a thin layer. I go over it maybe like once or twice and apply that thin layer. And then once I apply that thin layer, I'm going to let it dry. So make sure you apply a little bit more towards the ends of the tip of the eyelash. So that's what the eyelash looks like before it dries. That's the thin layer you should have. And now I'm just blowing it dry. And this just speeds up the glue dry process. I want it to get really tacky. And this is what the eyelash glue should look like before you apply it. Kind of clear and gone. So now we're taking the lash and we're going to go right above our lashes and we're going to place it right on top. This is key. Go above your lashes, place on top, and then you take the lash and then you bring it out, place it on top, and then do the same in the front. You bring it out and place it on top. Now I'm showing you guys two different ways. You can use the eyelash grips. I got these from Tarte at Ulta, or you can use your fingers. And right now what I'm doing is just pressing the lashes to my lashes to make them seamless as possible. Next, I'm gonna show you what it looks like, how you use your fingers. It's really easy. You'll get the hang of it. So this is what it should look like when you're applying your fingers. If you see, my finger is at the middle of the eyelash. Like I said, you don't have to blow. You could just wait till it gets super tacky. You could tell the difference in the glue. It almost looks clear and iridescent. But the key is to put your finger in the middle of the lash and your finger should almost touch the top of your eyes. Then I take both fingers at both ends, pull up and push down. Then I mash them together. It's really easy, guys. Like, I'm telling you, don't sweat the small stuff. When trying this first, you are gonna put the lash maybe not on the lash line. You might start below, but it'll take a couple of tries. So maybe watch the video a couple times. And I'm just checking by pressing one more time to make sure the lashes stick on my lash line and not on my lashes. After that, I'm taking some mascara and just blending these lashes together. I want to make sure that my lower lash have mascara to make sure they, are there. And that is it for this tutorial. Make sure you leave a like, leave a comment, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this tutorial helped you. Love you lots.